So initially for this video I was going to do a model stash video, but I decided against it because I felt it would be a very long video and not many people would be interested in watching it. Instead I'm going to make some videos on building props like this for my future animations. This is not the first one, this is the second one, as the first one is currently being filmed upon. This is a PlastCraft Games 28mm EWAR warehouse. It's meant for games such as Bolt Action and World in Flames. I don't play that game personally, but I do follow a YouTuber called Herbert Erpaderp who builds a lot of World War II armour. If you're into that sort of stuff, you should check him out. So anyway, I wanted one of these to build as a post-apocalyptic garage, as the 1/24 scale garages are quite expensive. Unfortunately the doors aren't quite big enough to fit a 1/24 scale. The doors aren't quite big enough to fit a 1/24 scale car through. It's pretty much built stock, apart from these doors are actually on a sliding mechanism that I've kind of built. It's quite simple. I can't open them without opening the model up. Unfortunately, it has the I'll open it at some point in the video, but not right now because the mechanism doesn't really work that well and I don't want to break the handles off the doors. So I'll give you a quick turn around of the model. I kind of went over the windows with a wash just to kind of fog them up a bit so you could quite clearly see inside. I should have cracked a few of the windows and I may come back to it and do that. Another difference between mine and how others usually build this is most would probably build this so the roof section could be taken off so they could put the figures in and use the building as cover during a game of Bolt Action and such. As I intend to use mine for animation, I've made this wall and this section of the roof removable so you can actually see inside and I can animate inside. I'll show you that later. So we've got the back here. There's a back door, but I didn't mount it on and decided to brick it up with these Zinge bricks, which I didn't get quite enough in a pack. So I had to scratch build some some planks and cover the rest of the hole. Again, the other side. This was an early building, so the paint job's probably not the best as it could have been. And again, I might come back and touch it up because I have a habit of doing that with my old builds. Right, I'm going to jump cut here and then I'll show you the inside. A lot of these little items are from TT Combat's back alley accessory packs. I'll probably do a video at a later date showing which items came from which pack, as I've got a few of the Fallout ones that I can't wait to paint as well. Things that aren't from TT Combat, this barrel which is from Zinge Industries, this little bench, the table, and the radio from a 1/35 scale World War II set. The ammo crates and the tools and the tool chests are from Foxbox. For the tools are from like the Orc tools. Ammo boxes are just ammo boxes. So yeah, you can see you can just make a little cool diorama. I'll probably, like I said, when I finish doing all the buildings, I'll show off the props because I've got a few more props that I want to paint first anyway. So yeah, I think I'll go on to making a little slideshow for you, and then that'll be it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed.